Graphic Design Trends 2021. The 3D Design A-Level course enables students to explore various materials and processes to create 3D results. After that, the final result may be architecture, lighting, body decoration, sculpture, furniture, set design, product design and 3D design. Elements of nature focus only on the shape, ignore the texture and color, and see nature only through its outline. The following 3 examples use texture and color as auxiliary elements to illustrate this point. A tree, a bird and some grass are the only objects in this design, only the bird has some slight texture. Surface. Learn more about color theory in graphic design and design with perfect colors. This is especially important in black and white photos, designs, and illustrations, as it separates objects from each other and separates the background. Chaotic typography. In 2018, designers will become more creative. Whether used as a standalone design or combined with other technologies, the layout is impressive and fascinating. Chaos printing is the practice of destroying the alignment and order of letters and words. If you have a fun brand or a casually energetic brand, then this may be your ideal choice. Geometric shapes in design. Shape is another basic element in graphic design. Geometric shapes such as squares, triangles, and circles have certain meanings that define graphic design. The circles represent eternity because they have no beginning or end. They also represent free movement, but are also widely used to protect and restrict. Psychedelic design. The psychedelic style is a characteristic of the second half of the 1960s and is easy to recognize. It involves both music and visual arts. In the album of the 1960s, the image is integrated and flows with the music, followed by the layout, which is an integral part of the whole picture. Do-it-in layout. Do-it-in design refers to creations which might be made of contrasting shades. In images, toning is the system of recoloring grayscale pics, and duotoning describes doing so with colors replacing the darks with one, and the lighting with any other. Duotone layout. Duotone design refers to creations which might be made of contrasting shades. In images, toning is the system of recoloring grayscale pics, and duotoning describes doing so with colors replacing the darks with one and the lighting with any other. Optical illusion. In optical illusion and graphic design, it is unbelievable how simple elements can produce extraordinary effects, so as to attract your attention, arouse your doubts and fall into their tricks. From simple lines, uncountable overlapping images, from graphics to spatial stereo vision. Comics and pop art. Popular artists like to use commercial production methods so that artworks can be copied there, which is a large part of the movement and is also related to graphic design. The most famous artists in the movement are Andy Warhol and Roy Lichtenstein. Retrofuturism. Even today, you will still find that the tools used by designers and architects include T-squares, triangular scales, triangles, French curves, and of course a basic compass. Times are changing, and the concept of future expectations is also changing. We want to share with you a series of nostalgic futuristic designs and tutorials that will inspire your future creations.